Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to screenshot on Android in a very easy method, so let's jump right into it. Now in most phones, in most new ones, you can find this feature on the notification panel, so let's go ahead and scroll down from the top and then find it amongst these buttons. Now here it is, there is a screenshot button. Once you tap on it, a screenshot will be taken of the screen. And when you tap on the screenshot, you can edit it, you can crop it, and once you're done, tap on the tick to save it. Now in all Android phones, you can do that by tapping and holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time for a second or two. So let's go ahead and try that out. In 3, 2, 1, and as you can see here, I have taken the screenshot. And you can find this screenshot saved in your gallery by tapping on the gallery, and then you find it under the screenshot and screen savings. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and see you later.